Welcome everyone to another exciting video. Imagine a paradise with over 17,000 islands, where crystal clear beaches meet ancient temples, towering volcanoes hide secret wonders, and vibrant cultures come alive around every corner. Indonesia isn't just a destination, it's a dream waiting to be explored. From relaxing on hidden shores to trekking epic mountains, there's adventure for everyone. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 most breathtaking places you absolutely must visit in Indonesia. Stick around till the end for a surprise spot that will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 10, Manado. Tucked in North Sulawesi, this hidden gem is a diver's paradise. Picture snorkeling in world-class reefs teeming with vibrant marine life at Bandung National Park. It's like swimming in an aquarium. Hike active volcanoes for jaw-dropping views, relax on pristine beaches, and savor fresh seafood that will make your taste buds dance. Manado offers that perfect mix of underwater magic and topside adventure, a spot you won't want to miss. Number 9 takes us to Surabaya, Indonesia's bustling second-largest city packed with history and surprises. Cross the iconic Suramadu Bridge, the longest in the country, for stunning sea views. Dive into culture at the House of Sampurna Museum. Unwind in lush parks perfect for picnics and marvel at the beautiful Al-Akbar Mosque. Surabaya blends modern energy with rich heritage, making it an underrated stop for food lovers and history buffs alike. At number 8, Semarang. This charming city on Java's north coast is a treasure of multicultural history. Explore the stunning Sam Pu Kong Temple, an ancient Chinese landmark full of color and stories. Wander the atmospheric old city with its Dutch colonial vibes, then hit vibrant night markets for mouth-watering local eats. Semarang's unique mix of cultures and flavors will leave you craving more. Number 7. Lombok, Bali's quieter, wilder neighbor. Climb the majestic Mount Rinjani for epic sunrise views that'll take your breath away. Lounge on unique pink beach with its rosy sands, snorkel in crystal waters around the Gili Islands, or chase waterfalls in hidden jungles. Lombok is pure, untouched beauty, perfect if you want paradise without the crowds. Coming in at number 6, Makassar. This vibrant port city in Sulawesi blends history with beach fun. Step back in time at the well-preserved Fort Rotterdam, catch stunning sunsets at Losari Beach, and thrill-seek at modern parks. Don't forget the incredible seafood, fresh and flavorful. Makassar is where old-world charm meets modern excitement. Number 5. Medan, gateway to Sumatra's wonders. Admire the Grand Maiman Palace with its stunning mix of styles, then escape to nearby Lake Toba, the world's largest volcanic lake, surrounded by epic scenery for hiking and relaxing. Visit impressive mosques and dive into spicy local cuisine. Medan is a cultural powerhouse, with nature right on its doorstep. At number 4, Bandung, the cool mountain city. Gaze into the steaming crater of Tangkuban Perahu volcano, experience traditional angklung music shows, and thrill at massive indoor theme parks. Bandung's fresh air, green landscapes, and famous street food make it a favorite escape from the heat. Number 3, Jakarta, the heartbeat of Indonesia. This mega city buzzes with endless energy. Explore historic Kota Tua with its charming old buildings and museums, then island hop to the nearby Thousand Islands for beach bliss and snorkeling. From street food heaven to skyscraper views, Jakarta has it all, a true melting pot of cultures. Number 2. Yogyakarta, the soul of Java. Home to the magnificent Borobudur, the world's largest Buddhist temple, and beautiful Prambanan. Tour the Royal Kraton Palace, shop vibrant streets, and soak in authentic Javanese culture. Yogya is where history feels alive and every corner tells a story. And our number one spot, Bali, the island of the gods. No list is complete without it. Discover Ubud's lush rice terraces and art scene, surf world-famous waves, hike Mount Batur for sunrise magic, and watch sunsets at iconic Tanah Lot Temple. Bali's beaches, culture, and vibes are legendary. It's the ultimate Indonesian dream. There you have it, the 10 incredible places that make Indonesia unforgettable. From hidden gems to iconic wonders, this country has endless magic. Which one is calling your name? Drop a comment below, hit that like button if you're inspired, and subscribe for more epic travel guides. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and see you in the next adventure.